We just arrived at Niagara Falls.
Very nice weather, like perfect. Not too hot, but sunny. Thank you.
I heard the best view in the
Side.
Canada side.
That's her
Oh my god.
repeated to list. Ah, nice.
Ready?
That bridge. That's the bridge we can walk.
The Nikola Tesla over there. He make
Nikola Tesla.
You don't know?
Water power?
Yeah.
I don't know Nikola-chan.
Today his name live with electric cars.
Nikola Tesla?
Tesla. Oh, you didn't know?
I didn't know. I didn't know. Also, the Elon Musk took the name from Nikola Tesla.
Yeah. He really likes it. Did you ever climb this tower?
No.
They has really cool elevator in there.
It looked like 80s futuristic movie. I always think the elevator
hold
looked
this?
like a minion. We finally go to the falls side. Have you taken the boat? I did with my father and brother.
How was it?
He likes it.
Yeah? Which one?
Brother, Shohei.
Like 20 minutes?
I think passing, like walking, 20 minutes, I guess.
A lot of sunlight. A lot of humid.
Humid, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just get the casino bus for the coming Niagara. It was $50 and $40 is deposit in our casino card, so we can play a gamble with that. Is it?
Yes.
And-
Basically, we just pay $10 for coming here.
Yes. And $40 for gambling, and we're gonna play for win.
You should take this.
Oh, you are in the US now?
Still Canada,
No,
though.
Canada is here.
No, Canada is here. You see the flag between, and then between. That's the between, like in the border.
So,
So, man.
was this just watching point?
Yes, like look out. Ooh, just to be make me scared when I looked down. I am holding my wet clothes.
Yeah.
Accident happened in my bag. Water bottle, it just was open. Okay, we almost.
And there was there's some mini
River.
mini fall.
Iris on other side.
Oh. People are just passing through here.
I'm taking it too. Hora.
Photo?
Photograph? You think can I cross by my bicycle?
I don't know. I think so. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Vehicle is a vehicle.
Vehicle is vehicle. Oh, this one has the chain.
This one has broken chain that you cannot enter.
Cannot cross it. It's too buggy.
Hello.
Hello.
Canadian citizen?
Yeah.
Citizen of Japan?
Yes.
Where are you going?
Just sightseeing.
Oh no, you don't have ESTA? I can tell you one that expired, but you don't currently have one that's valid.
Oh, okay.
So if you'd like to come back in, you can reapply. Once it's approved, you can come back.
Do I need to apply right now?
Or you can do whatever you want, but right now you have to go back to Canada. And then once it's approved, you can come back if you'd like.
How long does it take to improve?
It could take a couple hours or it could take a day.
Now we are just going back to Canada. It just didn't happen. Sure, it doesn't have ESTA. Now we go eat something.
Okay, friend. Now you need to apply the ESTA if you crossing the border by land. It used to be just $6 you paid the by land ESTA, but now you need the ESTA by same as by the air.
So, but we can still see this incredible view. So,
But how come they just asked me like ESTA by air too, and then like I still need to pay $6? Now we're here, I believe, walking all the way to here. Summer camp. Oh, they do have a bicycle.
oh yeah.
Hi, can I have a ticket for the Table of Winds?
Are you guys ready to go right now?
Yes.
Okay, it's going to be $42.
Pay by credit?
Yeah. All right, you guys are all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want the Cave of the Winds?
There you go.
You want the Cave of the Winds?
There's nothing behind it. It's inside. It's inside this thing.
When I first came here, I thought this is a prison.
Power plant, right?
It looks like it. They don't use it anymore.
Soiled smokestacks and dismal factories.
マ頑張って。
She's walking US to Canada with small steps.
Okay, it's no longer enough.
We just dry on the way. We've been wet. It was fun experience.
Yes. Hello.
Thank you. Thank you. Where's home
you.
for you guys?
Sorry?
Where do you live?
We live in Canada.
Toronto? We already walked. We need to go up, I guess. You know, inside here, it's just like a rainforest.
Oh
A
yeah?
restaurant. I mean, I can drink.
Mocktail.
Searching for my lost sugar.
It's like much more for child here.
Oh, we're close there now. It seems like go that way.
Skylon Tower.
Did he make something?
Well, he just
Let's see.
he eat that money. Okay, stop.